This life will hit you hard, in the face, wait for you to get back up just so it can kick you in the stomach, because no matter how wide you stretch your fingers, your hands will always be too small to catch all the pain you want to heal. Believe me, I've tried. And yes, on a scale from 1 to over-trusting, I am pretty damn naive. Rain will wash away everything if you let it.
I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they've forgiven my mistakes. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Always apologize when you've done something wrong, but don't you ever apologize for the way your eyes refuse to stop shining.